Scan the Android QR code to download app, or search Allcam Pro in Android App Store to download the app. Open the app. All permissions are allowed. Register and log in your account. All permissions are allowed. Turn on your Bluetooth. Do not turn on the camera. Insert your memory card. Press the power button for 3 seconds. Press the reset button for 5 seconds. When the blue light is slowly flashing, start connecting camera to Wi-Fi. Click the connect. Enter your Wi-Fi password. It supports 5G and 2.4G frequency Wi-Fi. Wait a moment. When the indicator light is steady blue, it means successful connection. The camera can be controlled by the app to rotate 180 degrees. Thank you for watching.